Petey Weestraw coming at you with another video. This one is going to be a little bit different. We're changing it up a bit. I decided that I sample so many products. I come across so many different brands that it's high time. You see what I did there? It's high time that I start showing y'all, what's out here in the Bay Area, the different flavors and profiles. So without further ado, without further ado, let me present Flavor. This is a brand that I have not seen before. I just copped them, I believe it was a couple days ago, courtesy of my pals from ease.com. So if you're out here in the Bay Area, check out ease.com. I got a link below for $20 off your first order if you're so inclined. But anyway, this is going to be somewhat of an unboxing type video where we're going to dive into the flavor profiles and just kind of get into the different aspects of this particular strain that I'm going to talk about. So you can see right here that there's two different kinds that we have. We have Strawberry Banana and we have Pack Frost. I believe that I'm going to sample the Strawberry Banana first just because I love Strawberry Banana. I have had it before. Guess I'm cheating a little bit, but if you've never sampled it before, it's very delicious in both flour and concentrate form. There's actually an article that I wrote on kushka.com talking about how Strawberry Banana may be the weed strain for vegans. I'm not quite sure, but it does present a very fruity and flavorful profile, something that we're going to dive into in just a minute. So I'm going to keep this box up here as I struggle to open this box right here. I'm not going to do it on camera because that's just going to look goofy, or maybe I will. I guess we'll just go through all the trials and tribulations together, right? So give me a second, please, as I do this. You want to do it somewhat cautiously. I'm not just going to rip into it like it's Christmas Day. I'm not some kind of barbarian. Fuck. So, as you can see, I'm already tearing this up. But we did manage to get it. Bam. Okay, so let's crack open the box right here and see what we're working with. Flavor. So, Strawberry Banana Crumble from Flavor. I believe they're based out here in California, but I am not entirely sure. Let's give it a shot. Let's see what it tastes like. Before we do that, though, let's give it a look-see what it actually looks like. So this is actually half grams, and I was wrong. Now that I think about it, I did not get this from ease.com. So forget everything I just said before prior to that. I'm just joking. Don't forget it. But you can get this off of Ease. But I got this actually from a dispensary in my neighborhood called Purple Star. If you happen to be in the California, San Francisco rather, Bay Area, and you're in this neighborhood called The Mission, please stop by Purple Star. They are one of my favorite dispensaries out here. I love them. They have something called BOGO, buy one, get one, and very affordable prices on their flour and concentrates. So these are both half grams. These two strains that we have here, Pack Frost and Strawberry Banana. As you can see, they're not as full grams, but they do, they give you a pretty good amount. And I believe these are about $13, $14 out of the store. So let's give a taste. I'm gonna pull up my trusty portable concentrate rig right here, courtesy of Air Vape. I did a video about them as well, so if you happen to have a little time on your hand, check that out as well. From the makers of Air Vape, they created a really, to me at least, awesome portable dabber, which allows you to dab effectively on the go. And you can see I've been dabbing a lot based off of the junk all in there. So let's get a little bit of the Flavor Strawberry Banana in our Air Vape Ohm portable dabber and see what this tastes like. I'm not going to flip the camera around so you can see my ugly mug. We're not going to do all that. I don't want you to ruin the smoking experience by suddenly introducing a stone zombie in your midst. But I am going to smoke off camera and hopefully produce healthy enough vapor that you will be thoroughly impressed and go, oh gee, wow, that kid can dab. Okay, so the air vape ohm is fully loaded, almost like me. We have inserted, that sounds so, we have put some Strawberry Banana Crumble inside, and we're getting ready to do a little pull and see what it tastes like. Oh, that is delicious. Now, the one thing I really like about the air vape ohm is that, you know, when you smoke it, perhaps on your very first few initial hits, you're not going to get a huge cloud of vapor. But what you will get is the full profile of whatever you happen to be dabbing on, the full flavor profile, I should say. And right there, honestly, the strawberry banana, does it taste like strawberry banana? No, it doesn't taste like strawberry banana, but it does taste somewhat fruit-like. If I had to equate it to something, you know, some kind of like guava almost, or like a mango type of fruit, something that is not totally ripened. You know, when you have a banana and it's slightly green, you kind of have that earthy taste to it. That's what it tastes like. That's what it tastes like. So strawberry banana from flavor does not taste like strawberry banana. It tastes more like, I would say, an unripened mango or freshly tilled grass. If you were to munch on freshly tilled grass, that's kind of what it tastes like. But by golly, it is fucking delicious. So if you happen to get a chance to get your hands on some strawberry banana from flavor, go get you some. Again, if you happen to be in the Bay Area, stop by Purple Star on Mission Street. They will, in the Mission District, they will do you good. They have some fantastic deals. If you can't make it out there, just hop on your computer, ease.com. They'll get you situated as well. Either way, it's been a blast talking to you guys again and showing you some of my new toys and accoutrements. Check back again for some other goodies that I'm going to be getting my hands on very soon. And I hope to catch y'all very soon. You stay blessed.